Keith Richards may be known for his rock star lifestyle in the 1960s and 1970s, but he acknowledges that he was also trying to keep up with his former, Anita Pallenberg. The late model's inner circle, including the 80-year-old Rolling Stone, are providing an inside look at the style icon and muse in the new documentary, Catching Fire, The Story of Anita Pallenberg. People has an exclusive first look at the official trailer. The famed guitarist is among those who can be heard against the backdrop of private home recordings, which provide a glimpse into his private life with the actress, who was his common-law wife and mother of 3 of his 5 children. The trailer, however, includes news footage of their headline-making lifestyle, including a 1977 narcotics possession arrest in Toronto, Canada. There was this sort of Bonnie and Clyde thing, Keith recollects, zooming off with cops in the trees. At one point, their son Marlon Richards recounts, "The police hauled her off to jail." "It was very, very dark," says Keith, who, like his ex, dealt with substance misuse and addiction. Scarlett Johansson, an Oscar winner, voices Anita as she narrates from the Italian's unpublished memoirs. In one excerpt, the actress, who died in 2017 at 73, says, "She've been labeled a witch, a slut, and a killer. Perhaps people are confusing me with the characters I've portrayed." Anita dated Brian Jones, one of the band's founding members. Domestic abuse damaged their relationship, and after a 1967 vacation to Morocco, they split up, and she began dating Keith. They were together for 13 years and had 2 sons and a daughter, Marlon in 1969, Angela in 1972, and Tara, a baby boy who died in 1976. Their surviving children contributed to Catching Fire, and Marlon served as an executive producer. In the teaser, he recalls growing up with his parents, among whom were fellow rock musicians and celebrities. He goes on to claim Keith would invite them over, and they would stay all hours, and it was her job to kick them out. Anita's influence spanned generations, and she eventually became friends with Kate Moss, who admired her. She was everything a rock star should be. Catching Fire is a labor of love for Anita's family, who wish to present a different side of the woman who media headlines have branded a rock and roll goddess, a voodoo priestess, and an evil seductress at various points in her life.